Hi friends, I'm Tirek, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make your taskbar on your Windows 10 transparent. So you can just make your Windows 10 taskbar transparent or give the transparency effect for the taskbar using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So, how to change the transparency of your taskbar in Windows 10. So first of all, right click on your Windows anywhere and click on the personalization option. So now you just need to click on the colors option. You will see this is a personalization where you just can change your background, choose your picture, and also in excess of fitting the wallpaper to the screen. So just click on this color option, which actually you can just change the color of the color theme of your total windows. So here you will see an option called transparency effect. So this is, just click this, you will see on the bottom taskbar, you will see, you can just note the changes. So you can see a blue color, which is actually the wallpaper background. So now you can see the field that transparency is working on. So if you are choosing a lighter mode, the same process, and you will see you can see a transparency on the lighter mode. You can choose a transparency turned on or turned off like this. You can see this is a blue color which actually transparent on the wallpaper. If you turned on, it's a white color. Actually it's about your theme. So this is how you just change the transparency effect on your taskbar in your Windows 10. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.